Hi everyone, this is V with Real Journal Talk, and so welcome back to my channel. And for those who are new, thanks for joining. And so today's video is going to be my first paycheck for the month of April. So if you're interested in watching, please continue to watch. All right, you all. So as you've already known by the title, this is going to be paycheck number 1 for the month of April. And so we're going to go ahead and dive into the first paycheck to see what bills are due and possible projected balances for what needs to possibly at the end of the month go towards a snowball debt. So I am going into the monthly calendar layout. That's what I use, Erin Condren, to do these budgets. And let's see. So here we go. So this is going to be April paycheck number 1. And so we're looking at 16/11/23. And we are going to try to give myself a little bit more space than what I had last time. Expenses, actual, if I went over, under. So we know the first bills are always the credit union at 105, chime, which is 100, project fund, which is 100, and savings, which is 140. So we have lights that crossed over because I did a split payment, and with this payment it was actually $287.35, and I know that's right because this was how I split it up, so I can go ahead and put that there now. Typically I wouldn't, but I know that that came out because I had to pay the bill. And then we have, let's see, okay, we have sale, which is 35. We have cable, 130. We have Amazon, which is $13.90. We have the federal student loan, which is $41.01. Then we have Navient, which is $16.33. And then we have the storage, and that's 25. That should be everything that was scheduled to come out of this first check in April. Okay, then we have cash envelopes, which is $360. Then we're gonna do a birthday gift of 25. Then we're gonna say our total expenses for this first paycheck and the projected balance. Let's go ahead and see. So we have 105 plus 100, 100, 140, 287.35, 35, 130, 13.90, 41.01, 16.33, 25, 360, 25 equals Total expenses looks like it's going to be $1,378.59. Take away by 16/11/23. Looking at a projected balance of $232.64. Okay, so we're looking at total expenses for the month of, well, for the first paycheck in April, $1,378.59, and a projected balance of $232.64. So that is basically it for this first paycheck to paycheck for the month of April. Hopefully I'll stay in on task, make sure I don't go over or under, but we'll definitely find out at the end of the month if I did stay within my goal. Oh, let me add that. Hold on. So I'm going to put this particular sticker. I hope it doesn't take up too much space, because this is not a big thing, but my goal is to make an extra student loan payment. Okay, so that's basically it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this first paycheck to paycheck for the month of April. If you did, remember to like, share, comment, and definitely subscribe. All right, thanks you all. Bye.